Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could take the reins in regulatory science? Can a machine, programmed with algorithms and data, potentially outperform human expertise in this complex field? It's a question that has stirred quite a debate, and rightly so. On one side, we have artificial intelligence, the offspring of the 21st century's technological revolution. The capabilities of AI are vast and still expanding. It can process massive amounts of data in a blink of an eye, identify patterns we might never see, and predict outcomes based on complex calculations. In the context of regulatory science, AI can analyze countless case studies, regulations, and precedents, learning from each to make informed decisions. It's like having 100 experts in one, constantly evolving and learning. But on the other side, we have human expertise, honed through years of education, training, and first-hand experience. Unlike AI, a human expert can draw on a deep understanding of the subtleties and nuances of regulatory science. They can interpret laws and regulations in context, considering the cultural, political, and economic factors that a machine might overlook. They can also empathize and negotiate, skills that AI, as of today, cannot replicate. However, this is not to say that one is superior to the other. Each has its strengths and weaknesses. AI's ability to handle vast amounts of information can complement the human expert's knack for context and nuance. Conversely, a human's ability to interpret and empathize can fill in the gaps left by AI's data-driven approach. In conclusion, the debate between AI and human expertise in regulatory science is not about who should take over. Rather, it's about how these two can work together to create a more efficient, effective regulatory system. AI can provide the breadth of knowledge, while human expertise brings depth and perspective. Together, they can usher in a new era of regulatory science, one that is more responsive and adaptive to the 21st century's challenges. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI and human expertise in regulatory science. Remember, the future of regulation is not a battle of man versus machine, but a collaboration of both.